Going on the yarn train to Portland City. Gonna buy some yarn there to make something pretty. And when that train leaves from Seattle, you're not gonna want to be left behind. 'Cause on that yarn train, you know we'll have a good time. And on that yarn train, we won't be sitting. We're gonna be looking around to see what other people are knitting. We'll be touching cashmere sweaters and showing off the goodies that we bought. 'Cause on that yarn train, you know we'll have a good time. At the station, who will meet us? The PDX knitter will be waiting some yarn to greet us. We'll have lattes down at Uptown and tall taverns all in line. 'Cause on that yarn train, you know we'll have a good time. Oh. Gonna walk the streets and search a yarn love. Buy chicory socks so you can make some gloves. Gonna hold you, hold the right down when you can feel it too. Oh shoot! That's my tall ship, my happy place. Gonna roll around in Malarigo lace. Skirt the colors around the blue moon, all the knitters and the knees. Sing along with my tune. That's right. That's right. Oh, we went on the yarn train to